the champion? Huh? May sumisigaw. She or he will be the grand champion? He or she? Let's give it up. He is the grand champion, Jericho Igusman, our Tawag at Tamahalan Season 3 here at Barangay Maduya. Thank you very much to our contender. Our winners will be staying. Mananatili po yung ating winners. Thank you very much, contenders. Please wait for the final piece that will be reckoning with our grand champion for another version and the second song preparing for all of us. Just sit back, relax, at ibang tanghalan sa Barangay Maduya Season 3 Grand Champion. Let's give it up for Jericho Igusman.
Ayun po, maraming salamat po, Barangay Maduya. Ayun pa, advance happy fiesta po sa ating lahat. At pinapasalamatan ko po si God at ating mga SK po at sa mga kagawad po. Maraming salamat po at sa panel of judge. Maraming salamat po. Naging successful po yung event po. Thank you po.
Wow, congrats! Congrats!
Mga